no-fault state. California is a no-fault divorce state, which means that any spouse can file for a divorce for any reason. The terms used on the petition and response forms is called irreconcilable differences. The court no longer has to find that either party is at fault to grant a divorce, which used to be the old law. Irreconcilable differences. The most common ground for a divorce is irreconcilable differences. Irreconcilable differences means that spouses have differences that cannot be bridged or overcome to save the marriage. Other grounds. Besides irreconcilable differences, California family law recognizes one other ground, namely permanent legal incapacity to make decisions. Simply put, this means incurable insanity. Proof is needed to show this condition, including competent medical or psychiatric testimony that at the time the petition was filed, that the spouse was and remains permanently lacking the legal capacity to make decisions. Divorce versus nullity. Requesting a divorce is different from requesting a nullity of marriage. Both a divorce and a nullity of marriage terminate the marriage. A nullity is asking for the family court to find that because of certain grounds, the marriage never legally took place. Takeaways. California is a no-fault state when it comes to divorce. That means that the court does not have to find any party at fault to terminate the marriage. The most common reason for a divorce is irreconcilable differences. Permanent legal incapacity to make decisions is also a legal ground for a divorce.
Was this video helpful for you? Please let us know by liking this video. And if you have any questions or suggestions for topics, leave us a comment. We also offer a variety of resources such as attorney referrals and legal checklists over at our website, utkdivorce.com. And last, subscribe. We provide new videos every week that you don't want to miss, and your subscription shows us your support. See you next time.